Good morning. It's our third day today here. It's breakfast time. I got arroz caldo, Spanish bread, and I'm gonna get more later. Oh, what did you get, Mel?
Oh, I got some omelette.
Waiting for the omelette.
Ito.
And Daddy, did you order that? That drink? I don't know.
I think that's...
Oh, they have like bangus. Is that bangus?
Yeah, bangus.
Is that boneless?
Hope so.
I got watermelon again, same as yesterday.
You sure this is not watermelon?
No, this one is the one.
Oh, I have mango.
Okay, maybe because I have yellow watermelon yesterday. That
It's watermelon. You can see this place is a jungle.
on the way to our second day tour. The main thing here is the big lagoon. Very nice, love it. I'm jealous. I'm the last one because I'm gonna go with our tour guide. Mga 1 hour tayo dito.
According po sa mga expert, mga scientists.
Yay!
Una kami ba?
Wow. Yeah.
Yeah, right. So, nung April po, last April, dito po yung napanood na po yung Red Bull Cliff Jumping
Ah, ito ba yun?
competition. Doon po sa kabilang side po yung doon po sila gumawa ng
Oh, doon. Okay.
yung parang may kanto po yung
Oh, that
and
one.
then sa Small Lagoon meron din po.
Yeah. Sinabi nga ni Eric kahapon. So we are here now at Entalula Island.
Lagay lang po kami ng bed doon ha. Para may nagamit kayo.
Okay, salamat. Yeah, this part right here is reserved for El Nido Resorts, our hotel. They have 3 resorts here: Pangulasyan, Minilok, and Lagen.
Oh, nice
They
and cold.
give us a refreshing drink, lychee iced tea.
Oh, nice and cold.
It smells good again, like
Lemon?
when we arrived.
No, that's different.
I know, huh? That is so refreshing.
I just removed all my.
Okay, we're back from our first excursion and now we're having
A snack.
lunch
Slash
by
snack.
the pool before our next one.
Yep,
I don't
we're
wanna get
doing
dressed.
we're doing 2 excursion today.
We're doing the second one today at 2 o'clock.
Yep, so that tomorrow
Right
we're
there
just
is the
gonna
pool.
relax. So we're here by the pool. Off to our other destination. They call it Bliss Island. What I really like there is the Snake Island. It's a sandbar. So this is where we're gonna stop. It says it's called Kudugnon Cave. They said we're gonna have to go through here.
Yan madilim sir kasi mayroon sa taas.
Anong makikita sa loob?
Rock formation po maganda.
Oh, okay.
Siyempre yung tawag yun. Ha? Oo. Iabot ko lang yung slowly.
Okay. Hey, I'll take you guys picture. I'll take you guys picture. I'll take you picture. Saan si Melody?
We're inside the cave. Come on.
Okay. This is called Kudugnon Cave.
So the pools, we use the...
So meron daw bote.
We call it guano.
Saan?
Okay, and it's from the best.
I don't see it.
Grab this thing.
You know, grab this. You'll got. I can hold your hand.
Okay, my turn. Wow. Oh, look at this.
So this cave is also for waiting.
I think we're gonna go to another cave.
Yeah, I think that one.
We're going to another cave.
Oh, well. Got mosquito, got mosquito. That looked like a snake. There's a vine.
Yeah, yeah.
Natural light.
If it's rainy, so there's water here, that's why it's muddy.
Oh, so but the seawater doesn't go high enough.
Kalpo to kasi mainland eh.
Ito.
Yeah.
Dikit na to, mami, sa island, sa ano?
Yeah.
Connected. Yung mga island naman, di pwede yung kalpo.
O hindi.
Hindi pwede.
He said there's no shirt nga eh.
So this is the Snake Island. It's supposed to be a sandbar, but it's not. It's high tide.
Well, imagine it when it's in the morning. It's probably worse.
Yeah. So at night or in the afternoon, it's ano, low tide. It's so nice here at night. It's our first time going to a dinner. We always do room service because we're tired already. Lots of lights. Oh, it's nice. Christmas tree. There's an entertainment at night. Okay, this is what I
You
have.
can have both of you.
Grilled mackerel.
I think mommy can finish that.
And then Melody and Hubby got the kare-kare.
Gusto mo ito after later.
This is our dessert today. This is our favorite dessert here in Pangulasyan. It's called buko pie. It's beautiful at night.
Underneath the restroom.
What's in there, Mel?
And then move the desk.
Oh, it's a library. Oh, they have a library. They left us a note again. But, oh my god, means we're leaving tomorrow. I'm gonna show you the complimentary tour and activities. I'm gonna skip. Yeah, this is the one. So we did 3 of these: seaside exploration, coastal wonders adventure, and a day of island bliss. There's some more in there, but we cannot do all those, so we only did 3 tours because we only stayed here 3 nights and 4 days. Also, I just want to show you their dining menu and prices right here. And I'm sure they're gonna change this one. Maybe every season or maybe every month. So, for those curious of the menu, anyway, breakfast is included. Ganda, grabe. This is my breakfast. I always get garlic fried rice, fish. They have Spanish sardines again, beef tapa, and then crispy bacon. So good. And I got the dragon fruit juice.
Red.
Our last day. Someone is sad. Bye.
Bye bye you.
This is probably the hardest hotel to leave.
Yes, it is the hardest resort to live. Hi. Nakakalungkot. Oh, there's our luggage. They're loading now our luggage. So we are here now at the lobby, waiting for our ride to go back to Rio town, to the airport. Bye.
Enjoy po ba?
Nag-enjoy. Huh? You gonna cry?
No, I said I'm gonna remove this.
Hindi mo magawa ng picture? So I guess it's straight or something. First time dito dito.
First time.
Babalik kami doon. Important na yung
So rough. Anong tawag dito, Rio?
El Nido Town.
El Nido Town? Oh, hindi Rio.
Tapos baka po sa Rio.
So, dito kami dinala sa El Nido Town.
Mauna ako na.
Let's go. This is Rio Airport. Oh, we have our own check-in area. Oh. Check-in counter. Oh, they have a bigger lounge for departure. We can sit here. It smells so good inside. Oh, what do they have? Oh, they have the same thing as na ano. Oh, what is? Looks like it's an Indian ano. Looks good, Mel. The snack.